Good morning, people. Ayan, punta kami sa Aqua Gliders activity ni Georgie. Ha? Oh, yeah. Ayan. Aga ng booking. 9 o'clock. Guys, andito tayo sa swimming pool. First activity ni Georgie. Today is Saturday. So, mag-aqua glide siya. Wow, what you've got? Show me. You got certificate. Well done, you. Eh, si Daddy na nagsuot ng skirt. Who's wearing skirt, Georgie? Looks like... I know, I'm joking. Looks like he's wearing a long skirt. Trendy skirt. Back to caravan, guys. Making tea. Gamit kami ng bottled water kasi first day namin nung binuksan ko yung tubig sa sa tap water, may amoy. Kaya sabi ko kay Mr. we use bottled water for making tea, not tap water.
You put clothes on the dryer?
Yeah.
Oh, outside?
Yeah.
No, I put them on the radiator.
It's alright.
She needs it this afternoon. You're going to wear the other one?
No, he got spare one.
Alright, I'm just going to wear the same one. I put my towel on the dryer tomorrow as well.
Ayan guys, kahit walang pasok sa school, tuloy pa rin ang pag-aaral namin ni Georgie ng English spelling niya at saka yung mathematics niya. Puti na lang, matyaga si Georgie. Pagsabihan ko na, halika na, aaral tayo. Kaya go agad yan. Everyday kami nagpa-practice yan guys. Tapos pag may mali siya, ulit na naman kami yan. So, minsan, ko siya, ni-recite niya yung word. Minsan, pinapasulat ko. Pero mas prefer ko yung sinusulat niya para mas maalala niya. At ma-practice din yung writing niya. Kaya, ayan. So far naman, na-memorize niya lahat. Matuto na siya.
8.
Tapos, kapalit niyan. Pag matapos niya yung homework niya, saka siya makapanood ng iPad.
Enough.
Ayan.
So how many correct answer you got?
50 out of 50.
So what did you get to get all correct answers?
50 minutes of iPad.
50 minutes of iPad, yeah?
Because Mommy said so. Because normally, if we have 30, because I normally get 30 minutes of iPad a night, and we take away. So if I have 2 wrong and we take away 2, that will be 28 minutes of iPad. But it's actually 30 minutes because you take away 0 minutes.
Yeah.
So it's actually 30 minutes.
Yeah. But you're lucky. You got 50.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mhm.
Take away the number of minutes if she gets.
So, we've done our homework, guys. Kahit naka-holiday kami, pa rin siya. Practice ng
And
spelling.
now we're gonna do
And do your mathematics. And now,
the scary
it's not scary.
jump.
So, Georgie and Daddy going for her
Small jump.
second activity for Saturday, for today. Yeah, it's called mini jump. See ya, enjoy.
On 42.
Yeah.
Yeah! Way to go!
So, ayan guys, nagpaiwan ako ngayon kasi 30 minutes lang naman yung activity ni Georgie para abang nasa labas sila, tayo'y magluluto. So, nagluto ako kahapon ng lunch namin. Kumuha ko ng 2 kasi inulam ko. Ngayon, ito ang gustong ulamin ni sister para hindi na namin bitbitin pabalik na sa bahay ba. So, magluto tayo. Mas prefer ko lutuin to sa oven para mas maganda ang luto. Kasi pag sa kasi sa pan, ang bilis masunog ba. So, tapos si Georgie, gusto niya ulit ang tuna and rice. Ay, ba't ang haba? 40 minutes lang. Ilagay natin yan. Preheat natin muna yung oven. Ayan. So, nahugasan ko na to siya kahapon. Tapos, isprayhan natin ng oil konti. Kaya last time guys, nasabi ko pag ano, yung pagpunta namin dito is parang bitbitin ang buong bahay kasi syempre kailangan mo magbitbit ng ano, yung necessity lang, yung gamit, yung pangkusina. So, ang provided lang ng caravan is like beddings, one toilet paper, each toilet, depende how many toilet yung ano, or shower room kayo meron. Tapos, utensils, cutleries, meron naman silang ano, provided. Tapos, cookware, ilan lang, sapat lang para magamit. Tapos, microwave, meron dito, luckily, meron silang, tawag ito, dishwasher, pero hindi namin ginamit. Diba? O, laking tulong na rin, hindi natin nag-waste electric para gamitin yung dishwasher kasi naghuhugas naman ako eh. So, tapos, fridge, yan. So, kaya, pag mag-caravan kami, talagang parang naglipat bahay ka din for a week lang, a short time period kasi dala ka ng sarili mong tissue, kitchen towel, kahit tea towel, at saka yung oven gloves, ayan, magbitbit. Tapos yun, dishwashing liquid, tea, coffee, sugar, yan, yung ano lang, pangangailangan lang na mas gusto niyo makatipid, pero kung marami naman kayong ano, budget, meron naman shop malapit or ano, pwede kayong bumili sa ano, big supermarket kasi depende sa campsite na pupuntahan nyo, malapit sa town, pwede kayong mamili doon na lang. Kami kasi mas prefer namin ano, bitbitin kasi bukod sa kung saan kami nagtatrabaho, meron kami kasing ano, colleague discount. So meron kaming food discount 10%, tapos sa clothing is 15%. So anyway, so kaya mas prefer namin na namili bago pumunta dito. Tapos the rest na nakulang or the rest na nakalimutan namin like milk, dito na namin binili. Tapos kung ano pang gusto mong bilhin na or fresh food, pwede din. Ayan, so yun lang, napaka ano lang ba? Easy, no? Basta para sa akin no, na-enjoy kong mag-caravan holiday or pumunta sa holiday home, tawag na dito. Kasi hindi itong mag-caravan, hindi siya all the time open, seasonal lang siya. Kasi mostly pag may caravan, lalo na may personal caravan ka, hindi siya all the time na pwede mong puntahan or tambayan. Lalo pag winter, I think alam ko close sila pag winter. Tapos, open lang sila pag ganito. Spring, summer, hanggang autumn siguro. So, ayan muna ang ating, mga chika-chika, Siguro sa yung kainin ko na lang. Ayan, ito. Nakabili ako ng Milkfish Century. So, siguro, ito yung ulamin ko. Kasi, gusto ni Georgie din mag-tuna ulit. So, hindi kami healthy living guys. Pansin ko, no? Ang bilis ko talagang tumaba. As in, ang lobo ko ngayon. Pag naka-holiday ka, alam mo yun? Kasi lalo na dito, walang wifi. Talagang boring. Tapos, alam mo yung pagtuon mo, punta ka ng kusina, ngat-ngat ka naman ng ngat-ngat. Ay, ang ano talaga. Anyway. Ready na natin to. Lagyan ko lang ng konting oil. Eh, bakit itong ginamit ko dapat yung malalim? Hindi, okay lang. Nalagyan natin ng oil eh. So, yan. Kasi masarap to siya guys. Anong flavor nito? Caramelized onion. Yan, caramelized onion. Tesco Finest. Gagawa natin kasi recycling. Separate natin yung recycling at saka yung general waste. Nakasanayan na guys pa kasi Dito sa England guys, no, ano talaga sila into recycling pag nagtatapon ka ng basura, hindi yung tambak ng tambak lang. Pero na ibang tao, hindi nagbabother. Pero sayang yung binabayaran mo sa council tax kung hindi ka susunod. At saka hindi mo natutulungan yung kalikasan. So, susunod na lang tayo. Ano, para hindi sayang yung bayad natin. Tayo din naman makaka-benefits kung tutulong tayo. Anyway, ano pa bang pag-uusapan natin? Ayan. Ayan natin ng 30 minutes. Ayan. Kanin. Where's the rice? Ito pala. Ayan na yung rice dala ko guys. So, yan. Saingin na natin para wala nang bitbitin. So, that's empty. Ugasan na natin yan.
I actually saw him walk with some hot cross buns, I think. With
Ah, right.
with
Having some hot cross buns.
I think so. He was.
There you go.
Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
Is he a video?
Oh yeah, of course. How many correct you got?
28 and 01.
How many seconds?
2.14.
Galing ah.
It's not going because I don't get up to the.
Well, where are you now?
I'm still the same.
Oh, but are you on top 3?
Yes.
Well done. You level up. Because you were top 4 yesterday. Yeah?
Not yesterday. I've been top 3 for ages. Remember, I'm angry because I really want to get up to Walk Legend.
I know. That's why keep going.
I didn't turn to Rockstar yesterday.
Angry. Doesn't help you.
Good afternoon guys. So time check is 4 o'clock. So we decide to walk around. Ikutin namin yung maglakad-lakad ba? Mag-walking kami. Kasi wala na kaming activities, ibang activities. Tayo na namin mag-book ng ibang activities dahil ang dami na naming gasto. So we decide to walk around, maybe grab a drink. Grab a pint of beer for daddy. Sabi ni Mr. guys, what he noticed kasi mga pumunta dito yung mga group of families ba nag-join together para mas marami, mas masaya. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, maybe next time we invite some families to, if they want to come with us for a holiday, camper van holiday. There we go. Happy Easter! Sabi ni Georgie guys, the caravan is a mansion. A mansion caravan. Mukhang mamahalin naman kasi eh. Ayan o. Dito kami sa area ng guys. Medyo mamahalin na caravan. Ganda. Oh, meron dito dado chalet. That's a chalet, yeah? So, yung chalet guys, yan siya? Apartment. So, people live up and down. There's more there at the back as well.
Anyways, it's very small.
Oh, rubbish. Rubbish. Oh, rubbish dance. Frame tree. Oh, strike. You guys strike.
Daddy, I got a strike.
It's alright. Oh no. Last throw. Show me your dance.
Oh, you got 5.
Yeah. Oh, is that £1?
Yeah. Get rid of him. Scoop him up.
Very slowly.
Scoop him up.
Georgie! Do that though. Like that. Come on, keep going. Very slow. Ah, no more time. Come on. I know. 4, 3, 2, 1. Game over.
Right, watch out.
Look, she's cleaning up now.
Yeah, they'll go for a minute. That's a good lot of tickets. Go on in. Right, grab your tickets.
So after ng ano guys, naglalaro si Georgie sa amusement. Nag-decide kami na sa restaurant na lang kumain para na ako magluto ulit. So ayan. Kain na naman tayo.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank
Cheers.
you. That's so good.
Move your stuff. Be helpful. Love you, Rennie. Wow,
Can
look
I
at
see?
that.
Allah.
Margarita pizza, but you've got the option to put pepperoni on it.
Ah. Show me. Smile.
Faster. Woohoo!
After ng dinner namin guys, balik na kami sa aming caravan kasi manood kami ng movie. Yun yung last activity namin after gala. So manood kami ng Age of Ultron and then that's it. So see you for the next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye!
It's our time.
She don't even smile. Smile up.
Smile.
That is smile. Ayun.